Look at him. He's gonna put a smile on his face.
Oh man, you know how to drive, bro.
Turn me up.
You snapped on this one. Hold on, I gotta get good lighting.
All right.
Here we are.
Thank you.
And you just finish the survey right here.
I'm gonna do that. All right, so interested in, let me see, when are you planning on? All right, Dodge. Yeah.
Come back at sometime after 7:30.
Durango.
All right, we'll get you guys on this side.
Actually, Charger. Do like a dealer, you know what I'm saying? No. Oh.
It's cold outside.
I know it is.
He's anemic.
I am too.
For real? And a survey. Are we?
She's just a terrible performer.
Oh, touch.
Okay, nope, you are fine. So, and guys, you also entered to win $100,000 towards the car too.
Oh, okay.
So whatever vehicle you guys want to drive, they're
Hellcat.
all labeled right there.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm about to go on. I'm in the market. You know what I mean? I'm in the market. DJI Osmos.
How much was that?
Pocket 3. It was $700.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you use it for
Vlogging, roller shots, a lot.
Was it a good investment?
It is, because it's really good at night, especially at night, with night shots, night videos. Oh my God. That's a huge sensor.
Nice. Well, have fun. I hope you record your experience.
Hellcat Durango. All right.
Yes, front of the line's this way.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, buddy.
Take that Durango first.
All right.
And then next in line, assuming Durango as well?
Durango.
Sounds good.
I guess we all three of us together.
If y'all want to go together, you can.
Yep.
3 driver's office.
And
Oh. Dang, crazy. $295. That interior going stupid. It's crazy. That's up to you. Let y'all know it's the Hellcat. Yup. That's crazy. Look at that spoiler. It's nice. It's nice. Oh, let me get up front. You done brought your vlogging camera? Yeah, that man prepared. Where you sitting?
I'm sitting right there.
Okay, all right. I'll get in the back. Damn. Got the captain's chairs.
Got the heated seats in the rear.
Oh yeah, I'm going to crank that right now. I'm going to crank that right now.
You cold?
Yeah. And I'm going to put on my seatbelt because we know who driving.
So this color is called
Red seatbelt.
Night Moves.
Ooh.
And this is the demonic red interior.
Crazy. Oh.
So let's
house plug.
do a couple things. Make sure your mirrors, your seat,
Going to
everything is set the way you want.
That interior is crazy. We good. Hey.
But I'm gonna see one. You also got heated steering wheel up here, ventilated seats. I'm gonna open this so we get a little more of that sound coming in. Okay.
Oh, for real? Oh, so you do got the new one.
What kind of car do you drive?
I got a Mercedes.
What class?
C300.
So hang it right here, and then hang that first right at those cones right there.
You mean the left one? Oh, right.
A hard right, yep. Right after this.
Ooh. You hear that whine too? Ooh.
And then, straighten out, and then stomp on it.
You was putting it. I ain't gonna lie to you. You're supposed to straighten out first. You know, laughed on it. I look good at all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Hold up there. And so we're not gonna lose rear end on that sound in here.
Ooh, how did it feel? How it feel, Devin?
Go straight. Stomp on it again.
Oh, straight across.
Yep, straight across. Left around that fallen cone.
Right here?
Yep. Then go out here. Hang it right.
Man,
I might need me one of these.
that sounds good, man.
And this is in street mode. Same even in
Put an SRT.
make it right. You don't tell me.
We got you.
Yeah, I ain't.
I would cut him right off.
I'm gonna be responsible. You told me to obey the traffic law.
Woo! That was a little crazy. That thing sounds good for a 6-seater. Sound good. But how it feel? How it feel? It feel good.
I ain't gonna lie to you. That launch is crazy.
Right up here.
Man. Oh, that wine.
Love that sound, right?
That sounds good.
If I was to get this, I would immediately do a muffler. All right, the cop right there. He gone.
Oh, and we got a tongue. Oh.
Now we try the brakes out too.
Oh yeah, them 6
And
piston.
then pull over. We're gonna do a quick switch so someone else can hop in.
Brian, you neck, dog.
Oh, we swapping while we on the route?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This thing got some
Go
power. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Go ahead. Go ahead, get you some.
You record?
Yeah. Is it recording now?
Damn, I should have had you record me too.
Yeah, I got you. I got you.
This is wireless charge?
Yes, sir. So go ahead and get your seat situated. The mirrors.
That back end do kick out a little bit though.
Do you feel it?
So it's also got an almost 50-50 perfect weight distribution from the front to the back. So it's balanced like a sports car. Mirrors feel good. You agree to obey the traffic laws. And you feel good and you feel ready to drive. All right, let's take off. Yeah. And then hang right at that lane.
Look at him, he ready too.
You want to feel it?
You right?
Yes, sir. Show me how quick you can get up there.
Look at him. He's like put a smile on his face.
Watch out for this vehicle
Yeah.
here. Yes, sir. We're making left, so signal. Yes.
I think it's a cop.
I ain't gonna lie, this feel way faster
That is a
than
car.
John Durango.
Did. Oh, you thought he let you drive it?
Yeah, John got the 392 Durango.
See, last.
It's got nothing on this.
Yeah.
This is 710.
See, when I did this last year, I drove the SRT Durango. I didn't drive
The
it.
392.
Right. Yeah.
But he got the same infotainment and stuff. But I don't think John got wireless charging.
Yeah, they updated a couple things in this.
That's crazy.
Some of the things are the
Yeah,
same.
it's crisp.
Also, you get
It's crispy.
performance pages. So I got timers for the lap or for track stuff. Also got your digital gauges here. You have dyno.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
And also have G-force.
Damn.
Nah.
You see, I caught that bitch around
You
the
did.
curb.
You did. You did.
Did he come?
Oh yeah.
Did you hit record?
Yeah, I did. It was recording, but I still got you on. I got you on both cameras, so I can.
I could like drive this today.
I'll have to take a little bit.
It's quick.
right where that seat is. Good copy on the mic.
Oh, we got one more driver.
Yeah, it's you.
Yep.
Oh, okay. He said pull over. All right. I got scared for a second.
Just hop in there. You know what that means.
Nah, I'll send it to you too.
This was a triple play. I didn't know how to do that, so
All right. I'm gonna put all my gizmos and gadgets up. Oh shit. My bad. Nah, that's it. Oh. All right.
I'm the most calm driver, you know what I'm saying?
Now,
Easy to, you know.
I'm coming from a Mustang GT.
Yeah, coming from two Mustang drivers.
I'm scared of that.
Look how he looking at him. He said, wait, Mustang.
Okay.
get all set up.
I want to get an
Make sure your
Alpha
mirrors are the way you like.
Yeah, all right, like that.
That's why I drove here.
The Stelvio?
All right.
That's what that is.
Feel good about the placement of everything?
Yeah, I'm good.
You agree to obey all the traffic laws?
I agree.
And you feel good and you feel ready to drive?
I feel super good.
Let's do this. Now they got
We'll just pull out slow here.
Okay.
Yeah, he been cut them off. When he
just pretend.
Ooh, them brakes feel good. You can tell she a big girl.
6 pit, yeah. She weighs 1,600. It's heavy. And so we got the 6 piston Brembos in the front, 4 pistons in the rear. I'm pretty sure them front brakes are bigger than the wheels on my car.
that's almost in my damn foot still vibrating from that.
For real?
I call this the smile machine.
All right.
Is that right and right? Like I said, this is our little secret here.
I ain't telling nobody. We're going home.
Now, that's not a Mustang now.
No, I'm gonna straighten out. Like, I ain't gonna do like we do. All right.
Punch it, Chewy.
Oh, shit. This feels good.
Hit it a little bit here. I want you to feel that, the handle. Yeah.
Woo!
Sound good too.
Those brakes feel good.
Through here?
Yeah. Now, curve around. Make a hard left. Right there. Yep.
Okay, yeah, it can handle for real.
Yeah.
It's good, yeah.
Pirelli's handled business.
See how the face when he did that turn.
Man. Now, are we making a
Make
right?
a right and a right at that light.
Gotcha.
Did you go to the BMW experience release?
Bruh.
Oh, it got stuck in
Trying to
manual.
upshift.
It got stuck in manual. I thought it.
It's okay. It's okay.
I thought it would jump back into automatic.
No.
Okay.
Once you start paddle shifting, it'll.
Okay. Okay.
And give us a concussion.
See, my Mustang, even if you go in the manual, you have to forcibly pull it in. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
See, like you said, in your Mustang, it's not the Mustang.
Low 60. My boss is definitely watching on his little thing right now.
Gotcha. Oh, this sounds good.
There you go.
Woo! Oh my God.
Oh, you got some pops.
She'll pop.
Man.
It's nice you boys know how to drive.
Yeah. That's what we do. I told you, they drive more wild than me though. Conservative.
You said a kid pop that curve.
Which I get a little room.
Yeah. This is going to be a quick right here.
don't even feel like a big one.
On Nick Kirby. You know who to blame.
There it is. Damn, I like that.
See, he don't need no help.
Oh man, you know how to drive, bro.
Yeah. I'm a driver. Like I said, I got a, you probably can see it in the parking lot. I'm parked over there, my gray Mustang.
Okay.
Are you driving your car?
Yeah, I drove my car. It's just a different platform, so this feels good. I like this. This truck is so much fun.
Look, this seat. Yeah. Right now, I ain't gonna lie.
That's what I'm saying.
You got this kitty pissing right now.
It's just all-wheel drive, so it's different from like
Exactly.
Right.
Charger.
It just
I know
snapped.
the Charger
They get loose.
Right.
You got that G-force a little bit.
And it's like when you're calm, it's just smooth. It's just a cruiser, man.
Cool, right there.
Man.
And then hang a left at that seat.
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie, that worth the $15.
I'm glad to share it with you guys.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Yeah, good little drive too.
They got a review thing. We can leave you a review or something like
I
that.
would
Yeah,
love
that's
that.
fun.
You got a review.
Right behind the Stevia or behind the Jeep.
It doesn't matter. We'll go behind the Jeep. That's fine. And then, yeah, you can tell them at the little podium or whatever. Tell them Adam is the man.
I got
I
you.
always love that little feedback.
Yes, sir. No problem. Thank you. Thank you.
Now, how the fuck do you want it? I'm used to buttons on the side. Y'all don't have this.
But I gotta get my bag out the back. Yeah. Grab your camera.
Call it the smile machine.
Yeah.
So, let me ask you. Really?
I like the styling of the Durango a little better too. I haven't been in the newest Trackhawk, the last one I was in.
Oh, yeah.
Didn't do it for
That metal cooling down.
I was like, I know what
It's
That is
crazy.
cool. I do like that as well. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You too. Man, Adam's the man. Hey, it was great.
Tonight?
It was great. All right. You did? I thought you hit record.
No, I said, did you hit record?
No, I thought when you handed it to me, I thought you had hit record already. No, I got you on my other camera. I have to send it to you. Damn.
Hi, welcome back.
All right.
So we're actually gonna take you on that side. So
Okay. Okay.
I'll take one here.